Hello, everybody. This is Sachin from Dhurina. I am co-founder and product head at Dhurina. I have started this venture with my three friends in June 2019 last year, with a motto to deliver the quality education to the students without any barrier of distance and timings. Let me give you the overview of our product, what exactly we are doing. Dhurina is an e-learning startup. We are helping the students to connect with the top tutors of the market to get the quality education in very, very affordable price. We can say our only motto is to deliver the education that everyone can afford it. Initially, our target segment is the competitive and promotional exams, but later we also have some plans to enter in other domain as well. So the reason is why we have started this journey and why we choose this particular segment, the competitive exam segment. We even know there are few other players in the market with a similar domain, but still we know we have some unique features that keep us up in the similar step. So competitive exams in India are divided into two major categories: center level exams and state level exams. Center level exams are managed by the central government like SSC, UPSC, railways, banking, etc. And it have a 10 to 12 exams category all over the India. And on the other hand, state level exams have 250 plus exams category all over the Indian state. And it cover almost every job from the group D level to group A level. And the reason now why we have started this venture, there are very limited resources available in the market to prepare for the state level competitive exams. And the current solutions are offline academies, but the current online test prep solution is more focused on the center level examination. So this is the major issue with the students. And the second is there is an insufficient institutional infra in rural areas. We all co-founder came from rural and tier three cities, so we know very well about the pain of the student in this segment, because the rural area student are the major market cap of state level competitive exams. So, but the most of the good teachers are found in urban centers, so they have to move to urban areas to get that education, but that leads to a lot of huge expenses like coaching academy fee, PG expenses, food expenses, other miscellaneous expenses. And the third major issue is content quality. This is one of the major concern for users today, because due to the lack of resources available in this particular segment, the users are not able to ensure whether the delivered content is according to the latest pattern or not. This leads to a lot of confusion in the user's mind. So these are the major pain points of the students in this segment. So what we have developed is we have developed a solution that is fully focused on state level competitive exams and the regional exams. So to overcome these problems, especially for the content quality problem, what we have done is we have a highly skilled market research team, especially from this particular background. So before tie up with any tutor, we will first analyze their selection ratio in that category, how many selections he or she has done, and also we are analyzing the demo videos of the tutors. Also, we first checking the student followers of that particular of that tutor, how many students are following that uh, following to those tutors. So after these all things, we will get onboard these tutors on our platform. And as I have mentioned above, pricing, our only motto is to deliver the education that everyone can afford it. So the pricing is the main concern for the student as well. So our pricing model is 50% lesser as compared to other offline solution available in the market. So if student will get the high quality in less price, they will happily use your product. Here is our product. Our product is based on the mobile application, and we are providing the live classes, online test series, ebooks, PDF and notes. And apart from this, we also have some unique feature that is not currently provided by any other edtech startup. Let me give you the overview of our current progress. What we have achieved so far, we have crossed 5,20,000 plus users till date, and our current GMV is 3 crore plus. And we are serving in two states only. And we have launched our venture in June 2019. So it's been 10 months now, and we have crossed this number. We are also getting the consistent positive feedback from our users, and our monthly active users are 1,80,000 plus, and our weekly active users are 80,000 plus. And one most important thing is our app was trending number one in last 4 months, 3 times. It was on number one position in the trending apps in the edtech category. Here is the market opportunity. As I have mentioned above, the state level exams have 250 plus exams category in all over the Indian states. So the market is very, very huge here. The online education market in India is forecasted to be worth about 18 billion USD in next 2 years. And already 2 million students are paying for the online education. And in next 1 year, it's expected to reach to 10 million students. And the most important thing is the test prep market is the fastest growing market in this segment at a CAGR of 64% according to the Google and KPMG. Here is why we require the fund at this stage. We are looking to raise seed fund of 1.5 crore at this stage. We are currently serving 2 states only, but we want to expand our product in pan India, and we also have plan ready for next 4 states, and we're planning to enter in next 4 states by the end of this year. That's why we require fund for this. And we are going to enter in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Punjab in next by the end of this year. And in next 1 year we are expecting to hit 2 million plus users and reach up to 8 more state of India. And we are also aiming the 6 crore plus revenue in next 1 year. Here are the team members of Tarina. Thank you.